So George, what we're doing today is repairing some stone chips on
Okay.
Mum's car, because when we hand it back to the lease company,
Tell them what car it is.
Mercedes GLC 220D
Don't know what that is.
in grey. So we're gonna repair some stone chips. So first, I'm putting some gloves on because I'm going to work with some chemicals first to get a bit of rust off the stone chip. And also it's the day that we've just changed the clocks, so it's the end of British summertime and it starts to get colder now, so the gloves will keep my hands warm as well. I've got some what you call fallout remover, so I'm going to put some of this on a piece of cotton wool, and what it's going to do is dissolve some rust on a stone chip. So first off, I'm just going to get a bit of masking tape. So if you can see here, George, if you just zoom in on here where my finger's pointing, there's a rusty spot, and that's because there's a chip that's gone down to the metal. So firstly, I'm just going to get my cotton wool out of my pocket like so, squeeze a bit of the fallout remover on it like that, put it on there, hold it, and then with my tape I'm just going to stick that on. It'll just soak into there and hopefully help to remove that rust patch. You'll see we've got these bits here where a door has kind of scratched.
This video is going to be long.
Yeah. Get some fine sandpaper just to kind of rough up the things, and then we're going to 2000 grit, wet and dry. I'm going to open the door, and I'm just going to put this on the little chips. So that just
deletes it from existence.
It just keys the paint. Panel wipe, which will clean the area, like a strong kind of alcohol-y stuff, and it'll help to make it really clean. Now look, just going to go over the areas. Makes them all nice and clean. So let that just air dry. Is a paint pen, and it's mixed the colour of Mum's car, Mercedes 992 Selenite Grau, Selenite Grey, that is in English. So what we've done now is just what we do, we just touch it in. Leave it like that. So what's currently happened, look, you can see the paint, it's all kind of sitting above. Your rust will slowly start to dissolve. It'll take a few goes. The idea is now, you see it's turning a bit purple. We'll let it do its thing actually. Maybe we'll just get plugged in. Squeeze.
How hot have you got it set to?
Just 50 degrees. 70 now it's saying.
That's hot.